was your favorite subject in school?
Sciences, all the sciences, history. Didn't really care for math much, but I really liked math. I liked them all, honestly. I was a weird nerd.
I like marching band. I like band.
That's a subject?
Yep.
Okay.
Science.
I would have to say physics. Probably literature.
I was real good at history. I really enjoyed history.
Well, it was every subject but math, and then math. But I guess if I had to pick a favorite one, it was probably, I liked history. History was pretty cool.